Hey, good morning, Facebook. Joshua Pondexter, Stone Consultant LLC. Hey, it's Friday, 9 Central Standard Time. We're just coming on to share some information. Today's topic is the power of an LLC, right? So everybody wants to be rich. Everybody wants to be wealthy. But the wealthy has the majority of their wealth in a company, right? So that's a primary building block. So we're going to talk about the power of LLC. This is doing something new. We're out in the community here at Starbucks in Homewood. So got it's getting out of the house, man. Been in the house for 2 years, so feels good to be out. And it's a beautiful thing. So listen, LLC, limited liability company. A lot of people are going in that direction because it's easy to set up, right? It's simple, right? But it's because it's simple don't mean that it's not powerful, right? It's very powerful in it. So the LLC, the limited liability company, it's a hybrid entity, right? It gives the look of a corporation, also the pass-through functions of sole proprietorship or partnership. And so corporation, meaning that your liabilities, financial and legal, are separated from you, the person, when you go into a limited liability company. And the pass-through, meaning the expenses and the deduction, can pass through right down to your tax reality, to your tax return. So if you have an LLC and you go like, well, what is it? I set it up. Am I using it properly? There are some fundamental pieces that you need, right? So you need, of course, to LLC is a United States or entity, right? It's organized in the state. There's over 50 states, so a lot of states have different laws concerning the LLC. I'm in Illinois, so Illinois laws are different from Indiana laws about the LLC, even though they might be different. So the LLC is structured in the states. It's taxed from a federal perspective with the IRS, right? So state covered, LLC, pass through, the expenses deduction passed down to your tax return. It's a beautiful thing, right? It's a hybrid of the corporation because you have the corporate veil, you have a pass through of the expenses and deduction that can come down to you like a sole proprietorship, right? So that's one of the things. So, but when you organize this LLC, you want to get your EIN number. You're not finished. No, you need to keep minutes in your organization. You need to issue yourself stock to show that you're the owner, and then you need to have a robust operating agreement. How am I going to operate this company, right? So those are fundamental pieces that you need to have this organization to be compliant, right? And then you need to keep corporate formalities, minutes. So the first minute that you're going to have is a minute of the members, which are the owners, and the officers, right? And you're going to make a decision on what bank you're going to put in this organization. So who's going to be my financial institution? It's going to be Chase Bank. It's going to be Bank of America. That must be ratified in your minutes, right? That's the first major decision before you run down there and grab a bank account. Then you go get the bank account. Okay, follow me again. You set up your LLC in the state of Illinois. You grab your EIN number. You have a book of minutes you're keeping. You issue yourself stock. you have a robust operating agreement. Those are the fundamental steps for your LLC. And then you keep those corporate formalities and you are staying compliant, right? So, listen, you got LLC. Everybody got LLC. What can I do with this powerful entity? It's a business. It's a company, right? You can issue stock to other people. Other people want to, instead of you having your friends and family invest in Amazon, invest in Google, hey, let them buy some stock in your business. This is how you raise money. It's not publicly traded, it's private stock, right? All right, coffee break. Like I said, we're here at Starbucks doing our live. We're talking about the power of the LLC. If you have one and you don't know how to operate it, you can contact us at joshuapondexter.com. Schedule an appointment, and we'll explain to you in detail what you have, the power of it, right? And the fact that if you want to build wealth, which a lot of people are always talking about, oh, I want to get rich, I want to build wealth, right? This is the fundamental building block, is to own your own business. I'm not saying give up your job or anything of that nature, but if you want to uphold wealth, you want to put yourself in a favorable tax position, this is needed, right? So LLC, that's the state wrapper. The IRS looks at it in a couple different ways, as a sole proprietorship, as a partnership. And the beautiful thing about the LLC, you can have the Internal Revenue Service look at it like a C corporation or an S corporation. So as you grow your LLC, you can change the function of it with the Internal Revenue Service. That's the power of it. So it's like, get a C corporation, get a S corporation. No, start with your LLC, right? And then you can grow it. You can change it anytime. 5 years down the road, 10 years down the road, you're adding employees, you're growing. So that's the flexibility of the LLC. And then when it comes to asset protection, the corporation has a corporate veil. The LLC has a corporate veil, but they have something that the corporation don't have. They have charging order. So the corporate veil protects you from activities that you're doing in your business and you get sued. Charging orders protect you from activities that you do outside of your business, right? So you get sued outside your business, you got a $500,000 lawsuit, bam, what you gonna do? Are they gonna charge your business and make you sell your business? No, those charging orders protect it. So that's another powerful advantage of the LLC. It has both a corporate veil and it has charging orders, right? Beautiful. You can make it look like a C corporation or an S corporation, depending on the tax strategy that you're running with your tax advisor. Hopefully you have one. If you don't have a tax advisor, joshuapondexter.com. We do tax planning for our clients. We don't do tax preparation. It's a little higher level where we sit down and plan throughout the year how to minimize, reduce, and eliminate your taxation, right? So that you can enjoy the American dream of tax-free living. Once again, you can enjoy the American dream of tax-free living. Isn't that a beautiful thing? Income taxes, reduce those sales taxes, property taxes, excise taxes, for robbing you of your wealth. Right? So, it's a big deal. Right? So, since some people tuning in, but no one's asking questions, this is Ask Joshua. The fundamental pieces of your LLC is you got to structure it in your state. You got to go grab the EIN number from the IRS, from the government, right? And then you need minutes. You need to keep minutes. You need to issue yourself stock. You need to have a robust operating agreement. If you're just a one-party person, you need at least 30 plus pages, not that little one page, 12 page little thing you can get off the internet operating agreement. You need something robust to have all the legalese and structure and how to run the company, how to dissolve the company, how to get paid out of the company. All these things is in your operating agreement, right? Because if you ever get sued, the first thing the opposing counsel is going to ask for is they want your LLC is in good standing. They want your EIN number. They want your minutes to make sure you've been keeping records. Right? Then they want to see your stock certificate. Do you own this company? Did you issue yourself stock? Right? Or you just set it up in your name at the state level and your mama and daddy own it. Right? And do you have a robust operating agreement? A lot of information we try to encapsulate here in a couple of minutes. All my consultations are complimentary. JoshuaPondexter.com. Whether you're looking to set up a business, if you're looking to grow your business, if you're looking for funding for your business, we have 88 different sources of lenders that we provide funding to business. We help you build business credit in your EIN only, so we can totally separate your personal assets from your business assets. So once again, Joshua Pondexter, Ask Joshua. Thank you for tuning in. We want to wish you peace, love, and soul.